is going to be the next course of action that is going to be taken by the Congress, by Rahul Gandhi and by the BJP as well. One big question continues to stay in people's mind and in Rahul Gandhi and Congress's mind as well is going to be what is going to be the further course of action, because a bail has been granted but the final adjudication is still at this point of time not been done. Rajalakshmi Joshi, quickly a response from you regarding the same question that I asked Akhil Khan. What is it that the BJP is going to do? This is clearly in favor of Rahul Gandhi and Congress. How is the public viewing this?
Good afternoon, Megha. And yes, this is an interesting turn of events. But at the same time, I'm surprised or rather shocked that it took the Congress so many days to get this kind of an order. Because see, the Congress has I could say the most talented or the most capable set of lawyers in the Supreme Court especially. And they're the ones who had moved the Supreme Court immediately as soon as Mr. Pawan Khera was faced with an arrest order, etc., an arrest warrant. So, you see the kind of speed with which they had acted at that time. So I am a little surprised, or maybe, in fact, I take back my words. I think that this was a very planned action in which, they wanted to show how Mr. Rahul Gandhi is being harassed by the BJP. In fact, the BJP had not actually put up this case. This was put up by a BJP member, yes, but who has the surname of Modi. So he had put up this case. And, the Congress had, I think, very intentionally, they had not taken up this case to the Supreme Court, because they could have very well done it the very first day itself. But they did not, because they wanted to show how Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been disqualified and he wanted to play the victim card.
Whatever said and done, with whatever intelligence, with whatever plotting, with whatever orchestrating of all their resources to allow for Rahul Gandhi to then fight out whether it was in the parliament or whether it was in the courts of the law, the public has definitely sided Rahul Gandhi and the Congress in such a situation. So if these tactics were utilized by the Congress, they've been utilized well.
Yes, definitely. They have utilized it very well, I would say. But at the same time, the Supreme Court has also pulled up Mr. Rahul Gandhi and said that these statements were in very bad taste. And the order today has been keeping in mind that the entire electorate, that his entire people of Wayanadu are affected by by his disqualification. And that was one of the major reasons why this order was put out. And they have also said that anybody in public space should definitely keep mind of what they are talking in public space. And that, I think, irrespective of what the Supreme Court has said, everybody should take care of it. Because see, all said and done, he is an influential person. He is definitely a leader of a political party. And, he needs to be very careful. So he cannot cast aspersions on an entire community saying that all the people who share the name of Modi are thieves or rogues or chores, as whatever he has said. So he cannot do that. And this is not the first time that he has actually made any such kind of statements and for which he has had to apologize. In fact, he is very adamant about not apologizing. And, very ironically, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who has always been at the receiving end of, he has always been making all kinds of unwanted statements. He is the one who is defending Rahul Gandhi, which is not very surprising, so it is something that he has always been making a goof up after goof up. See, the thing is that, whenever these people make these kind of statements, they may have won in court, but the electorate definitely keeps these things in mind. So they definitely know that these are the people who are making all kinds of unwanted remarks against the Prime Minister. See, the Prime Minister enjoys a kind of popularity.
The public sympathy and this and that and all. We have been seeing this. What is the sympathy for Congress in last 10 years? How many people? There are 12 crore people with the surname of Modi. Yes, the way, why not people were deprived of their member of parliament. Similarly, 12 crore people had felt offended.